brown chicka wow wow. Hey guys, it's Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you read by the title, yes, I'm still doing this week of my favorites, and this week I'm doing my favorites of leave-in conditioners. So if you have any leave-in conditioners, comment down below, and if you use any conditioners that I show you, comment down below as well. But if you guys haven't checked out my recent video where I showed you my favorite deep conditioners, then what are you doing? But check that out after this one, and then give that one a like, and then also give this one a like as well. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. And if you aren't already following me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I have that link down below. Just follow me in my hair journey. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. My first favorite leave-in would be the Mielle. Yeah, the Mielle. It would be the Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. This right here. It smells so good. I love it. Like, the smell is out of this world. Like, do y'all ever want to eat things that smell so good, or am I the only one? Like, holy grail. It's made for type 4 hair, but it works nice in mine. It makes my curls pop. It smooths out my frizz. It smells good. Keeps my hair moisturized. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. So my next one would be the almond marshmallow therapy leave-in conditioner by bodyworks. It is watery, but it has a thicker kind of watery consistency to it. I am high porosity, but my hair do like this. Even though I know my hair likes thicker type of leave-in products, my hair still loves this. And it smells good too. Like, what does it smell? Like, it has that almond and marshmallow smell. It's like, you know when people give smells or say a certain smell and it don't smell the way it's supposed to smell? This smells like how it's supposed to. Third one, curls. The Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. Now this one's already gone. That's how good it is. I would say at least one more use out of it, and I will get that use when I get another bottle. I need like 4 bottles of these. This actually is my favorite leave conditioner because, like, my hair loves this line. Like, the whole line, all of it. I haven't tried the milk. I want to try the milk, but this leave-in conditioner, baby, yes. All right, so my fourth leave-in conditioner that I like would be the infamous Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. Not the best smell, but the moisture, the slip, the way it detangles my hair, like, I was shook out of this world. Like, really shook how quick this worked in my hair. When I put this on my hair, I was like, wait a second, this is on something. Like, really good. And then I like the pepper. Like, it makes my hair, when I tell you I like my hair to tingle, it do that. All right, and then last but not least, the main choice, easy on the curls, 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, cowash. I love this so much. I love it so much. This is up there with Shea Moisture and curls. This is really good. I love the way it smells. It has like a medicated type of smell to me, but I still love it. It's all you can ask for, really. It gives you that moisture, it gives you that slip, it tangles, it conditions, it moisturizes, it and do what it says it's gonna do, why not ask for a better product? Just, but that, yes. But alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you've used any of these leave-in conditioners, let me know. Comment down below, let me know if you use them and if they're your favorites or if they're not your favorites, or what are your favorite leave-in conditioners. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment down below what else you guys would like me to do, and also stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'll be showing you my favorite oils. If you guys aren't following me on my socials already, they'll be linked down below, and I hope you guys have a great day.